Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all guys, can we all turn to wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera? Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hands on our laps and close our eyes. And when you're ready, guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. And next we'll stand up, pushing our chairs into our stretch sequence. And let's begin by stretching up high to the sky. And then we can stretch down low, touch our toes. Now, let's go back up high. And this time, we can go tippy-toe high. And while we're there, let's have a wave. And then back down to touch our toes. And then stand up straight. Hands on hips. And let's have a wiggle. Wiggle side to side. Stop. And then another wiggle. Another wiggle side to side. Stop. Forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, and stop. And now let's go round and round. Round and round. And stop. And then we can go back the other way. Give our spines a nice stretch, round and round. And stop. And to finish, we can do 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. So now, who can tell me that in mathematics, what does this symbol mean? Addition is correct. Well remembered, guys. We've been doing some work with addition recently. We've learned how to do addition calculations on their own. And in previous lessons, we also learned how to do addition and subtraction. And what's it called when we do addition and subtraction together? Combined operations. But what we're going to do today is we're going to remain with addition. So let's write that word on the board first. A, D, D, I, T, I, O, N. Addition. And what we're going to learn to do in today's lesson is we're going to learn how to read sentences or paragraphs that contain addition sums. And what we're going to do is learn how to read and answer word problems. So word problems, guys, W-O-R-D. Word. And problems, P-R-O-B-L-E-M-S. So altogether, addition, word, problems. For example, let's have a look at this, and I'll do an example of an addition word problem. So let's do an example of an addition word problem right now. We can start with the sentence, a red sports car costs. Now, who can give me some numbers? Did 2, 7, 3, 6, 5, 4. Okay, so we have our first part of our addition word problem. A red sports car costs 273,654 baht. And then we have to look at the next calculation, which will be a yellow motorbike. M-O-T-O-R-B-I-K-E costs. And then some more numbers, please, guys. 9, 2, 7, 6, 5. Okay, and then Bart, B-A-H-T. A yellow motorbike costs 92,765 baht. So then we need our question. H-O-W, how much does the car and motorbike R-B-I-K-E cost? C-O-S-T. Now this is what we mean by addition word problem. It's an addition sum that is contained within a word problem. So what we do, let's all read the word problem together, guys. A red sports car costs 273,654 baht. A yellow motorbike costs 92,765 baht. How much does the car and motorbike cost? So you can see, it's a word problem, and what we need to do with addition word problems is we need to identify the numbers that we have to add together. So who can tell me which numbers we need to add together, guys? 73,654. And what do we need to add this number with? 92,765. So basically, Addition word problems means reading and understanding the word problem, identifying the numbers we need to add together, and then doing the addition calculation as usual. And we'll do it together now. So our first number, 273,654. Now notice, guys, how many digits? 6-digit number. But our next number, how many digits? 5. So remembering about place value, 92,765. And now we are ready to answer our word problem. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 5 plus 6 equals 11. So what we need to do is we'll drop the 1 and carry 1 over. 1 plus 6 equals 7. Plus 7 again equals 14. So 4, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Plus 2 equals 6. 7 plus 9, 16. So 6 again, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. And we've got no value here, so we can just write the calculation in there again. So you see, even though it's a word problem, the addition always remains the same. And we can answer by saying the cost of the motorbike and the car is 366,419 baht. And this is what we mean by addition word problems. We just need to read them, understand them, and do the addition calculation as normal. And that was excellent, guys. Very well worked out. And what we've got now is a PowerPoint presentation so that we can learn to do more addition word problems and also understand how to work them out together. So let's turn to look at the TV screen, guys. So let's take a look at our PowerPoint presentation, addition word problems. So let's have a look at our first addition word problem. A company made 225,946 shirts in 2018. The same company also made 100,785 dresses in the same year. So the question is, what was the total number of clothes made by the company in 2018? So what we need to do is we need to take the number of shirts that were made and add them with the number of dresses. So how many shirts were made, guys? 125,946. And how many dresses? 100,785. So once we've read our word problem and understand it, we know the numbers we have to add together. And now we're ready to work out and calculate. So first step, always organize. Yes, we always need to do our addition table just like we do with all addition sums. And then we can begin to work through the different units. Always remembering to start at the lowest value, the ones. So 6 plus 5 equals 11. So we need to write 1 and carry 1 over. And then 1 plus 4 plus 8, 13. So what do we write? 3 carry over the 1. Well done, guys. 1 plus 9, 10 plus 7, 17. So we write the 7, carry over the 1. Yes. And then 1 plus 5 equals 6. Plus 0 equals 6. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So you see, at the end of the day, we're just doing our addition calculations as normal. And by reading and understanding the word problem, we can get the correct answer. So we can say, guys, the company made 326,731 clothes in 2018. Excellent. It's simple to add this number and this number to get our final total. Understand, guys? Okay, well, let's do one more together. On Monday, the MRT in Bangkok carried 260,195 passengers. On Tuesday, it carried 259,367 passengers. So the question, how many passengers did the MRT carry for the 2 days? Okay, so looking at our word problem again now, what numbers do we need to add together? On Monday, how... Excellent, guys. Well done. So you see, you can read the word problem and identify the numbers that we need to add together. And then we're ready to begin. So the calculation, as you said, is 260,000. Excellent. And like with all addition calculations, first thing to do, organize our table, such as this. And always remembering, start with the ones column. So 5 plus 7 equals 12. So we write 2, carry the 1. Always regroup when we have 10 or more. So 1 plus 9. So we write 6, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 3 equals 5. So we write 5. This time, nothing to carry over. And then we go comma because we're into the thousands. 0 plus 9. 0 plus 9 equals 9. 6 plus 5 equals 11. So write the 1, carry the 1 over. 1 plus 2 plus another 2 equals 5. So you see, each time we're just doing the calculation like we would do any normal addition sum. And we have our final answer. 519,562. So we can say the MRT carried 519,562 passengers for the 2 days. And this is how we successfully answer addition word problems. Read the word problem, identify the numbers to add together, and then give the correct answer. Any questions, guys? That was brilliant. Well done. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the PowerPoint presentation about how to read, understand, and answer addition word problems. The first thing to do is to read the sentences and then identify the numbers within the sentences that we need to add together. And then the addition calculation is just like every other one. Start with the lowest value numbers, the ones, and work our way up through the place value digits. Remembering, whenever we have 10 or more numbers, we need to regroup and carry over. And soon, we're going to have some of our students demonstrate how to answer addition word problems on the board. But first of all, guys, it's time for our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And for this stretch sequence, we'll begin with some rotations. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Excellent, guys. Now we'll do 5 stretches to our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. And next, we'll do 5 stretches to our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Now let's have a shake. Arms and legs, shake it out. Shake it out. And now let's take our right hand and find our left foot. Left hand, right foot. Right hand, left foot. Left hand, right foot. Right hand, left foot. Left hand, right foot. Last 2 now. Right hand, left foot. Left hand, right foot. And to finish, I think we'll do 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do a board exercise for our students to read, understand, and correctly answer some addition word problems. So the first thing I need to do is I need to write some addition word problems on the board. So first of all, who can give me the name of a flower? A lily. Okay, lily. We'll start with lilies. There are, and now some numbers first, guys. 3. 3, 7, 1, 9, 2, 0. Okay. And then lilies. L, I, L, L-Y-S. Lilies. In a field. Now, who can give me the name of another flower? We have lilies. A rose. Excellent. Okay. Now for some numbers, guys. 5, 1, 2. 5, 1, 2. 8. Nadia, what did you say? 6. 8. 6. 0. Okay. And we're having down roses. Roses. Okay, so now let's read the first part of our word problem. There are 371,920 lilies in a field. There are also 512,860 roses in a field. Yes. So now, time for our question. How many how many flowers, Flowers, are in the ELD? Excellent. So the question, how many flowers are in the field? Okay, guys, so who can tell me, looking at our addition word problem, what are the two numbers that we need to add together? Yes.
71,920.
And we need to add it with
512,860.
Excellent. So the first thing to do, read and understand our word problem. And then identify the numbers that need adding together. And what I need now, I need a student to come forward and answer our word problem on the board. So let's see, guys. Let's see who wakes up with the pen. Okay. And it looks like student Prau has woken up and she has the pen. So Prau, come and join me at the front of class. So Prau is going to show and demonstrate how to answer our word problem using addition. So first of all, we need our table with our two numbers to add together. So Prau, you can draw your table. Excellent. 371,920 plus 512,860. Excellent, Prau. So you can see both numbers have how many digits? 6 digits. So not worrying too much about place value because they're both 6-digit numbers. So where do we start, guys? Do we start with the 100,000s? No, we start always with the ones. So Prau, 0 plus 0 equals 0. Then 2 plus 6 equals 8. 9 plus 8? 17. So drop the 7, carry the 1. Comma. 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals 4. 7 plus 1 equals 8. And then 5 plus 3 equals 8 again. Proud, that's excellent. Perfect. So you see, at the end of the day, all of the addition word problems are like any addition calculations. Once we have our numbers, we just add together. So now we have our total. 884,780. So we can say there are 884,780 flowers in the field. Proud? That was excellent. Very well worked out. And a high five. Big round of applause for Proud, please, guys. Now, before we move on to our worksheet activity, where our students have to work individually, let's do one more addition word problem on the board together. First of all, I need to clean the board. Okay, so now we're ready for word problem number 2. And this time, we'll try to calculate the number of people. We'll have people in Chiang Mai and people in Chiang Rai. So let's see. There are, now, some numbers again, please, guys. 9. Nice big number to start. 9, 8, 7, 5, 4. Okay, that's okay. There are 987,654 people in Chiang Mai. Yes. And then we can say there are some more numbers, please, guys. 9 again. Really? Okay. 979, comma, 2, 9, 7. There are 979,297 people in Chiang Rai. R-A-I. Okay, so now the question, how many people in both cities? Question mark. Very well done. So guys, what are our 2 numbers that we need for our addition word problem? First of all, we have 987,654. And our second number, 979,297. So again, the first thing to do with an addition word problem, read it, understand it, and identify the numbers to add together. We now have them, so now it's time for our next student to come forward. So let's close our eyes, guys. Okay, so now Pat has the pen. Pat, you can come and join me at the front of class. And Pat is going to show and demonstrate how to answer our addition word problem. So the first thing to do, let's draw our table here. So we have our 2 numbers, Pat. Can you draw the table? 987,000, comma, 654. And then what's our second number, guys? Plus 979,297. 79,297. 297. Excellent. Okay, so remembering we always start with the lowest value numbers at the one. So Pat, don't forget your equal symbol too, so we can write our answers. Okay, so 4 plus 7, guys,
4 plus 7 equals 11.
equals 11. So we write 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Then plus 9, 15. So write the 5, carry the 1. 1 plus 6 plus 2 equals 9. So 9. And then comma, because we're going into the thousands. Every 3 digits before our 4th digit, we need the comma. 7 plus 9. 16. So we write the 6, carry the 1. Perfect. Well done, Pat. 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8. And then plus 7 equals 16. Okay. So 6. 6, carry the 1 again. So 1 plus 9 plus 9 equals 19. And now we're in our final, so we can write 9 here and then 1 here, because we move into the millions column. And remember, Pat, for every 3rd digit, we have comma. Excellent. So we now have our answer. 1,966,951. So we can answer our addition word problem by saying there are 1,966,951 people in Chiang Mai and Chiang Rai. And that's how we answer our addition word problems. Pat, that was excellent. High five and a big round of applause for Pat, please, guys. And big round of applause for everyone doing a great job. And now it's time for the worksheet part of our lesson. So teachers, what you'll need to do is print off a worksheet for each of the students in your class, because for this activity, they have to work individually. And as you can see, our worksheet has 3 addition word problems. Our students, just like we've been doing this morning with the PowerPoint and the board activities, have to read the word problems, identify the numbers that need adding together, and then show their working out and answers in the spaces provided. But what's the first thing to do, guys? Write our names on top. And give our students around 12 minutes for this activity, and you can just monitor the class and help them with anything they need. So Chu, this one's for you. You're welcome. Pat, for you. You're welcome. Nadia. You're welcome. Net, that one's for you. You're welcome. Dan, for you. You're welcome. You're welcome, Cleo. Bangpon, for you. You're welcome. And Lakau, for you. So names on top, guys, and then have a read through your word problems and see if you can answer. If you need any help, let me know. And also be careful with question number 3, because question number 3 requires a couple of calculations. So Chu, the first one, excellent. You see, the cost of building a house, this number here, 24,600. And then the cost of the fish pond, 18,750. So identify the 2 numbers and then add together. Excellent, Pat. What is the total cost of building both? So 1 and 2. Excellent. So you have your total cost. Yes? So adding both together, 43,350. You can say the total cost excellent, Prel. The total cost of building both is, and then your answer. Well done. So for question number 3, make sure you understand the question properly. Yes. So Chai has how much money? Chai has 47,500. Okay? Chai has 47,500. And then Ying has 14,750 more than Chai. So for Ying, we have to do this calculation. 47,500 plus 14,750. So 0 plus 0. 0 plus 5. 5 plus 7. 1 plus 7. Plus 2. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4. 5 plus 1. 6. So Ying has this amount. And then Pong has the same as Ying. So what we need to do is we need to take this amount, how much Chai has, how much Ying has, and how much Pong has. 1, 2, 3, and add them together. So there's 3 numbers to add together for question number 3. 47,500 plus 62,250 plus the same amount again. So for question number 3, there's 3 numbers to add together because there's 3 people, Chai, Ying, and Pong. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity where they had to read their way through all of the different word problems, identify the numbers for addition, and then write their answers and show they're working out successfully. And all my students here did a great job. So that was excellent, guys. Very well done. And that's all we've got time for today. So we hope you've enjoyed the lesson, found it interesting, and now understand how to correctly answer addition word problems. And we'll see you again soon for the next lesson. So can we turn to wave and say goodbye, guys? Goodbye. Bye-bye. See you again soon.